about it, talking so much. Those alright, you deflated us already. We flat.
Only nice one in this man.
Flat.
Only nice one.
You see what I mean? Did I win my bet or didn't I win my bet?
Yeah, I told him, so we won nice one in 5. You got 60. At last. That's what thing about.
No, you just want to take it. That's a single dust, man. That person that does not play, man. Are you crazy? I mean, only want to wipe the face of you. All right, then. All right, cool.
Behind me, so you learn to turn my career.
Rub it in.
Good.
Ben, alright, what's up? Alright.
Guess what? This is one of the top soca bands in the business, Wayne T.
Yeah.
Back home for Carnival 1995.
Yes.
I look at you on the paper, see you having fun, and I know you would have nothing less.
Well, you know, in Trinidad is a place with a lot of fun. You have to have fun in Trinidad to be good. And if you ain't come to Trinidad for Carnival, you haven't been no place else. You understand? I mean, all the islands have Carnival, it's great, but Trinidad Carnival is beautiful as you see. Look around the place, as you see. Look at Mars over there. You understand? So you have to be in Trinidad.
And when here is done, the journey North America and Europe begin.
Just start.
So it's one love, Wayne T.
One love all the time.
All the best for the year.
Yeah, thanks.
All right?
Yeah, so big it up all the time.
All right, good man.
Tommy, ¿qué está grabando por ahí?
You having a ball of a time?
Yeah, man. You see, I'm the best band in the land.
Carnival Tuesday.
Carnival Tuesday, Port of Spain.
It's one love.
Yes, man.
Okay, Zaina.
Yeah, man.
Blow the whistle, blow the whistle.
Yeah.
Blow the whistle.
Jump up on one spot. Well, that is tomorrow. But don't get a horror. Never tomorrow. I'm coming rough, I'm coming hard, I'm coming tough, I'm coming hard. This carnival will be radical. I'm coming stiff, I'm coming strong, I'm coming super, I'm coming down. This festival will be bacchanal. I'm come with a dance to mash up the place. So this is your chance. Jump up and kick up, then do the butterfly. Now jump up on one spot and then your double fly high. Do the fly, shadow, wave, everybody. Yeah, 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 yeah. Shadow, yeah, yeah, wave. Come again, fly, shadow, wave, 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 fly. Take away from preacher. Me jump up on one spot. That's just a borrow. But don't get a horror. I'm gonna pay back tomorrow. You better pay back tomorrow. So come with the fly, shadow, wave. Everybody, 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 everybody. It will be mad, it will be wild when I jump this soca style. They go pick away, wine and ramage. It will be hot, it will be sweet when I jump them on the street. They go to
I'll catch you this time.
Yeah.
All right.